Umutrang ba kajalau konrat ke sangma kajanalang ba given emilium chairman kameglia Khadi Village Industrial Board kilabu yung monong rem nak banta banteno e Khadi Plaza Market Complex Barik. Ya kate kompleks lamang hadu 8 crore new fly lak bante ya kani kecingtai lengba ka North Eastern Council kiwe ki bari don lang dauba H marbanyang CEO ka MKVIB ki officer ka NEC lamat kwe pan.
We should all be grateful to God for having given us this day for all of us to be upon. All of us who are gathered here today are indeed very delighted, and it's also a privilege to be part of this momentous occasion for laying the foundation stone of this new Khadi Plaza, which has been a long pending proposal of the Meghalaya Khadi Village and Industries Board. This particular Gram Shilpa here at Barik Point has come into existence since the year 1998. However, due to the dilapidated condition of this Gram Shilpa, for quite some time, it hasn't been able to function as desired. As members of the governing board of the Meghalaya Khadi Village Industries Board, seeing the huge potential that this particular Gram Shilpa can bring, and considering the fact that it is present in one of the major hubs in the city, we believe that it can achieve great heights if it's fully modernized and if it's managed in a proper and skillful manner. And as a result, we started exploring for ways and means to ensure that this proposal for a new Khadi Plaza was materialized.
I think all that had to be said has been very categorically and in detail expressed by the chairman of MKVIB. But I would like to add, saying that the government of Meghalaya and this MDA government has always stressed on ensuring that we give a push to nano and micro entrepreneurs and different kind of artisans and different self-help groups or any organization or individual who would want to work in an enterprising manner and create value out of business. And that's something that has been reflective in almost every policy or every activity or every scheme that we have taken up. Just recently we had started a program for the ateliers where we had given 22 artisans 5 lakh grant each. And the objective of that was to allow these artisans and these ateliers to start their own studios. Now, we always felt that these individuals had talent, but somehow they were not able to showcase their talent and their products. So they would end up having their studios in their house, or they would end up having the studios in very non-commercial locations, and would not have the professional setup that one should have. So it was a small step, but a step towards opening up a bigger avenue for these ateliers and these artisans who already were doing a lot but were not getting any support from the government.